Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to claim milestone reward of mystery signings player in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new to this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest, how you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap on a mystery signing banner. This one, mystery signings. You can tap it. So in these mystery signings, you can reveal player clues to pick mystery player reward and accumulate progress in getting the milestone. So I already get one player in this week, Musiala or Steve. You can choose one of the player, and after completing mystery signings 3 times, after you get 3 mystery players to choose, and you can choose one milestone reward here. The first one, you can get 2 Mascherano rank up player and 1 mixed version player with 90 OVR. If you're lucky, you can get one of these possible rewards. The second one is 1 mixed version player with 92 OVR, untradeable player, and you can get 1 Mascherano, 2 Jersey Dudek, 2 rank up player, and 500,000 coin. So this is a possible reward for you. If you're lucky, you can get one of the player. And the last one is 1 mixed version player with 93 OVR, and also 1 Mascherano, 1 Jersey Dudek. So in this case, I will choose this because I have enough player, but I need to rank up my player, so I need 2 Mascherano here because my player mostly had 90 OVR. So let's tap free button, tap to open, and this is the player Eric Cantona, and 2 Mascherano to rank up my player. So please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click this button below. See you in the next video.